I was telling you guys that in that form, Southeast Content Connections. If you do something, ga other people, please, oh, I'm gonna drag this person, be a support to him, or may like Otam shall drag Okongu Dibia, Katon, ex-convict, Canary go Maka Kaniki, and I wear Governor Unushi. Nkana top 0 minus O. I'm a doya. I know my god information here. I got my doya very soon. Whatala? Tag ya I got me digia. At SSTLM camera ya. I go dig them. They went on a group. That I'm saying na this atonu kuruya. Some of them content creators say Chimba. I will not defend you because I know you said all these things. When he ask people on they have Imaskibo just now go. He don't want to go deeper because of position on or brand or represent. I will condition web beef with Iskibo. But maturity, he said, okay, I am sorry. I'm a major, okay, I'm sorry. And I first eat and I'm a B and time goes on. But you cannot hurt me and still I no more Shinelu. I cannot do anything. That thing is my game. Let's see now. Let's see. You want to go? Emana, sorry. Now Woody. I'm a Akwagi Jpac. Just relax. This woman cannot do anything. We will bring her, we will do this, we will arrest her. Protection, not be me. People just they call, they give me the food because they know that I'm saying the truth. They know all the plan. But it will never depart from my mouth. Why I'm playing this? Because yesterday, the same thing in Kugaki too. The same thing no do chia me porno. The same thing go Kuga na me porno na Facebook get break down. Okay, she's lying. How can you pick out the car and call her get But the truth is beginning. I'm a many things. Guys, because share on this video. I'm not trying to destroy any family. I am not trying to destroy, but that thing in because I'm not calling many people. People that are dealing with you to be very, very careful. Because elema onya pare. I think on my canele. I will get a leg like this to the boss. Imagine boss I hate to go ne destroy alage. You want to go? Ne destroy igogi. Imagine that this guy alagi. So it better you keep him away from your secret area. From the things you know name security. You want to go? I came out to address Seaman Global. Because I know he has a lot to protect. And let me play Voice of Seaman Global yesterday. For that Ebonyi son that didn't go to school, that I'm at primary school, cannot even define English, cannot even understand it and words, how to put them together. Yawurogi, a man who spoke like this with wisdom. Children, I want to play his voice yesterday because I know I recorded it. Children, I think it's this one. Listen. Listen.
Yeah. You know. And good evening.
This is Seaman Global.
Good evening, sir. Actually, I've been following the trend this morning about the postal gates in Jpac made. You know, and sincerely, I don't know who Gate in Jpac is. And I have not met her in person. She has not met me in person. And actually, I borrow money social media and after on social media. I and as it stands, I don't want us to be dragging this matter. Okay, Jpac. Okay, Jpac.
Share the program, please. Click love and like. I don't want to. If they can share, they will throw me off this place. If they can share, because now share to subdue the. Yeah.
The fact remains that we are all brothers, and okay, Jpac is our sister. Only mom personally knows the kind of life I am living. Jpac is my brother. Mom will not okay, Jpac waiting for Jpac.
Thank you, sir.
They have their differences. They have their misunderstanding. It's left for two of them. They are two adults. It's left for two of them to resolve their matter within themselves. But bringing different people that she has not met into this matter, despite the problem you have with Jpac, you understand, despite misunderstanding between her and Jpac, it's not wise at all. It's not wise. But I would just advise her as a sister, as our own person, that she should please not break that part, because it's not a good thing for her. Only for 1 year broke no dogo. No matter how isolated or so why outside, what will put us together, still holds us together. So I'm over now bamba on Facebook. I'm over so I'm with the Igbo, the Hausa the Yoruba the whole world is watching it. So it's not bad for us to watch our dating linear outside. I've been watching a lot of comments and other people. I don't hold anybody. Everybody is entitled to his or her opinion. For the fact that a lot of people who knows me know about matter why. I don't mean for a shower. I don't mean matter why. I don't do that. Jpac is my bad ambassador. And the one money make over here life for once. I have never done that. We have never. We are the blue one. You know, so where all these things are coming from is where I don't know. But because okay, Jpac, I pray that she'll be listening to this live video and know that more put Simon Global abroad what they want. Abroad, also. But I am a woman. I'm a woman outside. Problem with here, one day you won't give it to the park. There are better ways to resolve this matter. And you a mother, you a sister. Because I'm working with the educating the Southwest. No buy so the woman because I pray that I meet Jpac one-on-one. I've been watching her right from onset. I've never spoken to her. I don't know her. You understand? But all she has been beating her chest is that this is what Jpac told her. But even if you are there, you shouldn't bring this matter. Because of the sake of the names of people that are involved in it, bring it online. You understand? I've been into real estate for 15 years. I've done it back to back. By the grace of Almighty God, and nobody follow me on social media. This is my first time. Not on social media. But I just want to tell you because I don't want it to escalate. But I'm your son, and I've been following you, and with the wisdom God has given to you, I know this matter can be resolved. You understand?
Thank you, sir.
Let this rain. You know, because more and more wood, and I need the land to dig more into the secret of Jpac that doesn't want to be out there. So please, because I need a little time on
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Upon another home. Then, after listening, Ashina Oku Gine make on normalize, right? I made a video. I was specific. I did not miss my words. I never said what I said was not told by Jpac. The Bonilo son, the criminal 500,000 naira that was given to him, went on his page to go and comment and post rubbish. You know? Let me tell all of you. You see all this garagaruno to shut the Bonilo son, I thought you say my page no get life. Now I'm the one feeding you. The page when no get life is now the way you cannot wait to pick up. But be careful, I dey strike. I'm very bad. I'm very deadly. I'm very bad. What I go Maggie Fame when you catch up page, don't mess with me. Oh, you see, I just feed you now because your page is monetized. I did not monetize my page. Oh. I know they chop money for this blue app. My mission on my mission no be the same. Be very careful. You're touching naked wire. Be very careful. My kechi is I didn't want you. Be very, very careful. Zerem. I've been your Zerem. So I know you are not well learned. They did not teach you well. You did not start from primary school. But on a demand for you to use your wisdom to articulate sometimes. Even a child. I know you will understand it, was, come, go, where, when, how, right? Okay, Aya, Otila, bye-bye. You want to go? So, for next time, if you want to interpret, or when that guy in the make interview, please interpret this video for me, so I will not be, I got to so, again, who chance somebody better like this, with a cool voice, you will not make a video. And said, my anger, see man globus and I watch him. But my brother I watch him. Who have been there in a Jpac my dead father. And him only represent your ambassador. He carry him wugene ga oya. As who wants peace? Because all the peace ozurugina or peace. Shia, why can't you do something and stop all these chaos? You want to go? Oh, he Karime, oh, come de no on top people who shame me here. You look for peace and ask him, see, this is the right thing to do. And the Ebi no me be chain here. Ishina, na Chineke nyene ex-convict, amami here. Go set to no nye matter. That ain't no lad the peace or we. Along, oh yeah, Otila. You want to go? That came no lad the peace or we. How alabasra ex-convict no wa. Chineke maneligwe yawuru nam chori ikwe me ekwepo. I cannot have anything to do with that demon, that shrinking devil. Never. She okay. Oh yeah, bye. There's no need of staying here. Goodbye. You want to go? So maybe always reply for me to block. I will be seeing them. Please always reply very fast. And one time, on I know here when I hear me get him, I click, let me click and love and pay. Let me accommodate your comments. I'm not paying me on Facebook, so why would I accommodate News and City? You want to go? Here, you could have called this guy attention because you know where I'm going. The very delicate, or the very, very dangerous. Because I will lick unlickable. I will, but to calling that ex-convict, or be men in peace. Or no, the same person that called me a shower, the same person who put up on me a shower, the same person who put up that he will never have anything to do with me because I'm pam promono. How can he have something to do with me when Ocean and my father promono? He vowed that instead of him to have anything to do with Onye Empire promono, don't forget that I'm pam promono. So, Don't only to have anything to do with in Kamuna will no go area. For the record. So always be okay. Always be no that this particular one. Seaman Global. I have to be honest with you. You said you follow me. In a hona netina. Actually ball and what I can waka. Maya no dear empire no dear. You want to go? That is what you should have done long time. Shia, go and find a way and resolve this problem with this young lady. Because I didn't just Seaman Global. Iwuromo. Ebu puten nagi. My father were a doctorate before you have a professor. You know, be cap, you know, be toko. Mpam go to school to hire my father here and in your hands so we go laga kuya. Because sorry overqualified. The Jpac brula. Biakoto on Facebook. Burozum pame why view not to followers. And somebody say I should spell Jpac. Somebody is telling me I should spell Jpac. Come on, Lela Chechi. From where Bemini Shipano Piu. We will continue this message until everything has scattered. I don't care who the message affects. I don't care who got involved. I don't care. None of you that is defending Jpac. Una actually put that one. Ebuna ne kuna all one. Chineke wopu no kuna one yahu. I'm not talking about Punu, that woman all. How can someone marry a prostitute to compare my father? My father that has fed, brought many people here. In my how many people my father was here? In my how many people, how many lives? The man is somebody now bomb wine. Who the fuck is that shower that Jpac can pick on in the club? Who the fuck is that shower? Until you guys start telling where the problem started. And there will be peace. Without it, nobody. Everything will go. No stone will be left unturned. I will turn unturnable. By then, no matter how I'm feeling. No matter how somebody they put in namo, buy a video nelu, post a picture ya, more koya. Give it to new science. See idiot age kuloku, eben namge kuoku. Signature pamna nige dubagi na university, you graduate, gapota. Tell me, yawuruki. And you want me to take it easy. Anything runaka, if I did not use it to scatter life with Jpac, until you guys start addressing where problems started. Then when you are in my shoe, you play your game the way you like it. As of now, this is time to pay back. Would be the I don't know things. By then, I will know how to solve the problem. That is it. But don't have to hear it because I'll get you one. How can he come and apologize to a woman? How can forgetting no a man ko brula put opa wan yo? A man ko brula put abiate ure na blue apa. And none of you guys are saying anything about it. Who the fuck is one? A prostitute then with brain. A shower with brain no get for him brain. A shower when I go common sense. Can I shower one? Who the fuck is one? Don't worry, can I get one? Come the Bruna give me hakaja. Come the Bruna give me hakaja. Come how you will feel. Okay? I bet now back. I can is the one. I call Mbobutere na Momunya cool. Habana back. In that chat, and I never get in name. You guys are just women in a do pute. You feel me? There are many things that Baby today will shock everybody. And Baby Oku know that I'm saying the truth. Baby today I don't even give a fuck until you bit protect our business. You bit put one hands in order, doing the right thing, trying to fix where the loophole started. Okay? Aga bia ku ebe nnam no repu omu. Aga bia ku ebe no to nnam nga. Aga bia ku ebe nnam no bo omu no. He has to come and tell the world, or he do the necessary thing. Without it, I don't care whether your business go to down. I don't care who the message or grandma. Oh, he thought I came to him for what? For what? I don't even understand where that guy brain is. I get you trash. Some people are calling. I get you. Nah, who is listening to me? You don't have to listen to me, you son of a nobody. That according na program. You don't have to listen to fucking me. Allow me to talk according to now. Until the day he came bro. Open me kogabum. If Jpac head did not go ground, camera me kogabum. The Puna had to settle matter. Let's see how it will end. Until the day Nage and one area. My father died on COVID. In Pamengununa COVID. It was a buria. You know, COVID is all about lungs, respiratory system. Respiratory system, the thing they like this. Even to breathe, problem. The man able breathe his last breath. Because he COVID the cable suffocate again. COVID the cable suffocate again. Jpac brouillard. And you want to be calling a coon? You want to be calling a coon? Hello? 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 It's okay, thank you. It's okay, thank you. It's okay, thank you.